SharePoint lists provide a convenient way to publish all kinds of data in an Excel-like format. However, SharePoint doesn't offer any way to analyze the data with a chart or even print the information. But opening the List ribbon, we do find a way to export to Excel, where we can use its analysis tools or print the list. After clicking OK, you need to save, then open the file from your browser window. Excel opens, and in the Security window, click Enable. At this point, the SharePoint list data is imported as a table linked to the original SharePoint data. Notice that there are extra SharePoint list item type and path columns which can be ignored or deleted. The list is formatted as a table, and from its Design ribbon is a command to refresh to make sure we have the latest information. This ribbon also includes commands to help with analysis. For example, we could check Total Row to add totals. We could also create a chart for visual analysis. We'll drag to select the headers and data, then use the Quick Analysis icon in the Selections corner for options. This provides different ways to analyze data quickly, including colorful data bars and chart options. And of course, we could also send the list to the printer should we need a hard copy. Sometimes Excel data needs to be put into SharePoint where it can be more easily viewed or updated by the team. Here are some sales numbers we'd like to publish in SharePoint. To do that, we first need to format the list as a table, which is an option right on the Home ribbon. The style doesn't matter as it will be removed in SharePoint. There. Now, on the Table Tools Design ribbon, we'll click Export to find Export Table to SharePoint List. For this step, we need to know the website address of the site, which only requires the site location without any page address information. We'll check the Create a Read-Only Connection box, which creates a link between the Excel table and the new list, so as the team updates the SharePoint list, the changes will show back here in the spreadsheet. Now we can type a title for the new list. The description field is optional. In the next step, we see the converted column data types for the SharePoint list. And click Finish. Here's our confirmation and link to the new SharePoint list. Now the Excel table has been converted to a SharePoint list where the team can view and update it. Excel's import and export capabilities make it a powerful partner for collaboration with SharePoint.